For the leaders, for the men, when you lead ladies up. Don't lead her into. So up and then go into here. And now from here, let's learn a reverse ripple. So here, for the leaders, you're going to encourage with your knees and with your hips for the ladies to start reverse ripple through the hip into the tummy, into the head. And then you're going to have finishing bachata move. So let's do something like this exercise. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's try it together. And here we're going to do this movement in a pretzel position. So we'll do one basic 1, 2, 3, 4 pretzel, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now from here, men, we are sideways. Ladies, much more forward. Now from here, guys, lead your girls up, up. So we're stretching them up and then taking them into. So in this position, we end up in a small chair. Now with your knee and hip, encourage girls to come out through the hip into the head. And we're getting out of it. So let's try it one more time with my count. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try.